Would you like to join me and learn how to paint this lovely autumn scene? I build up the background and come forward, then forward, then forward again to give the depth and the perspective to really show off these berries. All you have to do is click on the link below this and it will take you to my Vimeo channel. And the thing is, you don't pay a monthly subscription. There's lots of other paintings on there and workshops that I've done that you can watch. And the good thing about it is you can pay to watch what you want to watch. You know, some paintings you might not be interested in, some you may be interested in. But that's the good thing about not having a monthly subscription. You don't have to watch and pay for paintings that you're not really interested in. So if you fancy having a go, it's inks, granulation medium, watercolour. Just click on the link below. I'll just show you on my phone where to click. So this is a YouTube video of me, and so this one will be up there, what I'm talking about now. You just click under there, put your finger just there, and then the description comes up and the link is on there that will take you straight over to the Vimeo channel. Hope you can join me. Thanks for listening.